In trading, timing is everything. Traditional REST APIs work like checking your phone for updates. You send a request, get a response, and then you have to ask again. WebSocket streaming is fundamentally different. It is like a live phone call. Once connected, market data flows to you instantly, the moment it changes. No repeated requests, no delays, just real-time data as it happens. Here is what makes OpenAlgo's WebSocket unique. Behind the scenes, OpenAlgo uses ZeroMQ, a high-performance messaging library, to connect with all major Indian brokers. This means you write your streaming code once, and it works with any supported broker. Whether you use Zerodha, Angel One, Upstocks, or any other, the WebSocket API stays exactly the same. One code base, every broker. Getting started is simple. When initializing your OpenAlgo client, add the WS_URL parameter alongside your API key and host. The host handles your regular REST API calls like placing orders and fetching account data. The WS_URL connects you to the real-time streaming server. With just these three parameters, you are ready to receive live market data. LTP streaming gives you the last traded price in real time. First, connect to the WebSocket server. Then define the instruments you want to track, specifying the exchange and trading symbol for each after, create a callback function. This function fires every time a new price arrives. Finally, subscribe using subscribe_LTP. Your callback now receives live price updates the moment they happen. Quote streaming takes it a step further. Instead of just the last price, you get the complete market snapshot. Open, high, low, close, last traded price, best bid, best ask, and volume. Subscribe using subscribe_quote with your callback, and you receive the full picture every time the market moves. This is perfect for building live dashboards or monitoring multiple instruments simultaneously. Market depth streaming reveals the full order book. You see multiple levels of buy orders and sell orders, along with total buy and sell quantities. This is essential for understanding supply and demand at each price level. Subscribe using subscribe_depth and watch the order book update in real time. Traders use this to spot large institutional orders and gauge overall market sentiment. OpenAlgo provides 3 levels of verbose control for debugging your WebSocket connections. Silent mode shows only errors, ideal for production. Basic mode logs connection events and subscription confirmations, great during development. Debug mode streams every single data update to your console, perfect for troubleshooting. Switch between them with a single parameter when initializing your client. Besides real-time callbacks, you can also poll the latest data using get_quotes. The WebSocket stream continuously updates a local cache in the background. When you call get_quotes, you get the most recent data instantly, without waiting for the next market tick. This is useful when you need data at regular intervals, like checking prices periodically in a monitoring loop. Always clean up your WebSocket connections when you are done. Unsubscribe from each data type for your instruments, then disconnect from the server. Wrap your streaming code in a try-finally block to ensure cleanup happens even if errors occur. This prevents resource leaks and keeps your broker connection clean. With real-time WebSocket data, the possibilities are endless. Build custom price alerts that notify you instantly when conditions are met. Implement your own stop-loss and target logic that reacts to every tick. Create trailing stop-loss systems that dynamically adjust as prices move in your favor. Or build a complete custom risk management system that monitors all your positions live. OpenAlgo gives you the building blocks. You decide what to build. Here is a complete working example that ties everything together. We initialize the client with verbose logging enabled, define the instruments we want to track, connect to the server, and subscribe to quote updates. We then poll the cache data at regular intervals, and finally clean up by unsubscribing and disconnecting. This is your starting template for any real-time trading application with OpenAlgo. By default, OpenAlgo supports up to 3000 symbols across 3 WebSocket connections, with 1000 symbols per connection. You can adjust these limits in openalgo.in configuration file. But keep in mind, different brokers have different WebSocket limitations. Zerodha allows up to 3000 instruments on a single connection, with up to 3 connections per API key. Dhan supports up to 5 connections per user, with unlimited instruments on each after Upstocks allows 2 connections with up to 2000 instrument keys. Always check your broker-specific WebSocket limits before setting up your streaming configuration. That wraps up part 4 of the OpenAlgo Python SDK tutorial series. You now know how to stream real-time market data using WebSockets, subscribe to LTP, quotes, and depth, control verbose logging, poll cached data, and properly clean up your connections. Check out docs.openalgo.in for the full API documentation. If you missed earlier parts, Part 1 covers SDK setup and basic functions, Part 2 covers place smart order, and Part 3 covers options trading. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Happy trading!